Okay, so I've got this new product I want to show you guys. I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna wash my face with this. So this is the Anchor by Belle Fever Detoxifying Face Cleanser. So it comes in this beautiful like iridescent sort of carton, and then it tells you all the things and your steps, and then it comes in this. So it sort of smells like it smells to me like tea tree oil. So I'm just gonna take it on a pad and like awesome. So that's my face after the cleanser. I'll show you guys in like the natural light so it's nice and dewy. And then I've got the acne taming moisturizer. So I've got a small bit on my hand. I'm just gonna rub it in like the T-zone bits of my face where I get the most like pimply and acne. So this is my face after. So it literally just like cleanses and tones it. It's a 2-in-1 sort of facial detoxifier. And it's literally the most amazing product ever. And thank you so much for sending it to me, Bella. It's amazing.